sure. Hi, IRyS. It's IRyS from Hololive English Promise. Your say so Nephilim here to Avada for everyone. Okay.
Oh my goodness. Okay,
Oh
chill.
Weird.
Oh, she's using fighting words already.
Oh my god! Ah! What the hell? What the hell? Fireball. Ah!
Magic missile.
Fireball.
Magic missile.
Okay.
Oh no! Oh, fireball. Oh, Mr. Magic Missile.
Did you just say Mr. Missile?
I did not say Mr. Missile. Fireball. Magic missile.
Where are you?
Fireball.
Fireball. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Magic fireball.
Okay.
Freeze.
Oh, we're good.
Fireball.
She died from her own fireball.
No,
Close the gate. Close the gate.
My yes sounded like freeze.
I was wondering why I suddenly see a race. Magic fireball.
Freeze.
Yeah! Fireball.
Fireball.
Damn it! Why is this window so tiny?